I bought a new truck, and so to go along with it, I bought this Garage Smith Garage Wall Protector Kit. It's a kit with 2 foam pads that adhere to your garage walls to protect your doors as they open up inside of your garage. Here are the 2 pads. They're 3/4 of an inch thick, 15.5 inches long, about 6 inches wide, and they have a closed cell foam with this texture on the exterior. It's very tough and durable. It's waterproof. It handles abuse pretty well. There are some videos of it having X-Acto knives slashing it, but it doesn't show any marks. And so here's what I was trying to protect against: my wall versus my door. The door was taking a little damage if I wasn't going to be careful. And so basically I just put it on the wall, got it level, and the instructions tell you to peel off the backing, about 4 inches of it, before you peel the rest of it off, just to get it mounted in the right position. And so using that level, I marked it off and then put it up on the wall. And I'm going to do it here with just one hand because my other hand happens to be holding the camera to film this. And so it looks a little bit awkward, but it won't be for you because hopefully you won't need to be holding a camera like I am. But it was very easy to do. I'm just trying not to peel it off from the wall. I'm just trying to peel off the paper. But it goes on very easily. Just peel off that paper and then push it onto the wall and you're good to go. Got to say, this was super easy and is going to save my walls and my doors. Really happy with it. If you like this idea and this is something you think you would like to do, I do put down below links to this product on Amazon. I do earn a small commission. This helps fund the content that I create, and I hope if you're able to support, that's great. If not, just a like or a subscribe is the greatest thanks I can get. Hope everybody enjoyed this short video, and hopefully you can use this idea to save your own walls and your own vehicle doors. Take care, everybody.